Oh, it's a new toy, the Ultimate Launcher from Disney Cars. Do you want to try it out?
Yes.
Yes, let's open it. Do you want to unbox it?
Yes.
Okay, let's unbox it now.
Who's in the cover?
Tim Threadless.
Tim Threadless.
And
You don't know if that's him, right?
Okay, we'll look for it later. Who's this?
no.
Who's that?
No.
Okay, Cal Weathers and
Bobby Swift.
Bobby Swift.
Jackson Stone.
Okay,
Prison Ramirez.
Cruz Ramirez.
Blake McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Jack Hicks.
Okay.
Luigi. Guido. Natalie.
Okay, they're all racing. Wow, it's an 8 lanes. 8 lanes launcher. Okay, let's open it. And it comes with a Lightning McQueen. You opened it already? Okay. I think that goes in here, and that can be installed with something else, another toys maybe. All these cars have the same T-bone. Wow, what is that? Roscoe. Okay, so let's make some race. We already put some cars in here. Wow, what do we have? Dennis Watts, shot to the Rocky, Chick Hicks, Chip, Dewey, and Carlos, Lightning McQueen, and so let's do the racing here. And we'll press on 3, 2, 1. Press that one. I'll press this one. 1, 2, 3, go! Steady, and you have to press both together. 1, 2, go! Okay, it's time to do a race. So we have matched what we have in the box. So we have Lightning McQueen, Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Stone, Bobby Swift, Cal Weathers, Break.
No, it's not Brooke.
No, this is Break. It's 24. See, he's racing Break, so it's 24. That's, we don't know actually who that is. We'll look it up. But we have, yes, we have replaced it with Ralph and Tim Threadless. So let's take Lightning McQueen. Yeah, let's take Lightning McQueen to the first lane, please. Here we go. Okay, and Cruz Ramirez to the second lane. Yes. Now Jackson Storm in lane number 3. Bobby Swift, lane number 4. What else we have? Cal Weathers, lane number 5. And Brick, lane number 6. Ralph can go to lane number 7. Yes. And the last one, finally, can Threadless to lane number 8. Okay. I think Ralph is a bit bigger than this one. Let's see. Okay, so we have all contestants ready for the race, and we have, who do we have in here? We have Pat and Chris. So they will be our judges to this race. Okay, so we'll open the gate, and on 3, 2, 1, go! Who do we have? And the winner is, of course, Lightning McQueen! We take it and put him in the winner! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new toy. See you later. Say bye.
Bye.